kids, how are you all? I hope that all are fit and fine. Okay. Now we are children. Let's we learn reference books. Okay. There is a subject of EVS, EVS Environmental Studies, and it's for the standard 4. And there is a chapter number 3. The name of this chapter is A Day with Nandu. Okay, there is a chapter. The name of it's A Day with Nandu. Okay, Nandu. The name of Nandu. Okay, A Day with Nandu. Then it's a story about a Nandu. Nandu means a baby elephant. Okay, it is a baby elephant, and it is a very small. Okay, it is a baby of elephant. It is a very small, and how was he passed that day to with his family. Okay, now we are on it. Nandu is a baby elephant. A baby elephant, and it is no one of the baby of the elephant. Okay, it lives with its herd. Okay, herd means there is a group of his family. Group of his family means the elephant's family there. Okay, and he is with her mother. Okay, when he was born. Okay, when he was born, and he wake up, he saw everywhere only a gray colors forest. Okay, only see the gray color forest there, and then after he see, it is not a forest, it's a legs and trunks of their family. Means it is a it was he was covered by his family. Okay, and the legs of elephants, the trunk of the elephants. Okay, there. So he saw there is a forest, like it look like a forest, but it is not there, and it is a herd. It is a herd of his family. Okay, and adult elephant. Okay, adult elephant can eat 100 kg leaves per day. Okay, minimum 100 kg leaves per day, and they eating they eating 100 kg leaves and other things. Okay, and he cannot take a rest, and there is only 2 or 4 hours to enough for them to take a rest there. So mostly the elephants group we can say the herd of this. Okay, the herd of the elephant, they lives together. Okay, because of they mostly lives in a forest. Okay, so there is a they lives in a herd means they lives in a unity. If there is any problem, just like any attack on them, so they lives mostly in a herd. Okay, Nandu is a baby elephant, and he saw the herd of elephant, and the Nandu's nani. Okay, Nandu's nani is the main person of this herd. Okay, he is the main of this herd, and when main person of this herd is he give a permission to anything. Okay, just like he in morning time he trump, and he say that we can go anywhere. Okay, to find a food, to find water. Okay, and there is a dangerous area, so he tell them in a herd that to go anywhere. Okay, to find a food, to find a water also. Okay, they and they go in a herd. Okay, they go in a herd, and because of its if there is a small baby, they cover them, and just like a bodyguard. Okay, and they cover them. So Nandu was a very small baby, and when they like muddy waters, okay, muddy water, and they want to like to play in this water. Okay, so there is some muddy water, and his brother and sister. Whose brother and sister? Nandu's brothers and sister. They want to go there and they play there. Okay, they throw a water. They spray a water each other. Okay, so they enjoying this game, and Nandu's mother pushed him to go there, to go and play. But Nandu was afraid. Okay, because of he was very small, and if his cousin and brother and sister, they are big, so they can't go there. But his mother pushed him to go and play in this muddy water. Okay, and when his mother pushed him, and then after he was going there and play there, and he enjoying this game. So he enjoying this game, and he also sprayed water to each other. Okay, and he liked very much. Okay, now we learn about herd means a group of family. Okay, many animals has they live in a herds, just like we have some notification. Okay, lives in herd. Which animal, insects, they live in a herd? So there is a ant. Okay, ants, we can say ant. Okay, they lives in a group. They lives in a ant hill. There is a bees also. Okay, bees also lives in a group. Okay, and there is a wild buffalo. Wild buffalo also lives in a group. There is a wild dogs. Wild dogs also lives in a group. Then wolves. Okay, the sheep, we can say the sheep. We can see the sheep. Okay, they lives in a group. Okay, one sheep is going there, then after many sheep walking there. And goats. Okay, deer, zebras, monkeys. Okay, monkeys also have a family. Their family, they lives in a group. Okay, and flamingos, penguins. Okay, these animals lives in a herd. Herd means a group. Okay, they have their family. They lives in their family and lives in this herd. Now, ant, bees, wild buffaloes, wild dogs, wolves, sheep, goats, deer, zebra, monkeys, flamingos, and penguins. Okay, the animals lives in a herd, means lives with their family, lives in a herd. Okay, in a group. Now we have many animals as a pet. Okay, we live with us as a pet, just like cows. Okay, cows is a domestic animal. Okay, it's a domestic animal. Cows. Okay, we can use as a pet. Cows, buffaloes, dogs, rabbits, parrots, and cat, and there is a sheep, goat, dog. Okay, many animals we can use like pets, and we can say tiger, cat is a tiger's aunt. Okay, we can say it's in an Indian language, cat means the tiger's aunt. Okay, then there is a many animals. Okay, we can use as a pet, and animals like cows, buffaloes, goats give us milk. Okay, sheep, Camel also give us milk. Okay, we use the milk. And there is a many animals just like oxen, horse, camels. Okay, they carry donkey. Okay, and elephant. They using for a riding. Okay, we can ride on it. Okay, any elephant, camel, horse, buffalo, oxen. Okay, we can use the in a riding also. And some animals just like oxen, donkey, horse, camel, we can use carrying a load also. Okay, carrying a load we can use for them. So many animals they live in a group also. Okay, we can use as a pet also. They give us a milk also. Okay, they carry the load also. So many animals useful to us. Okay, many wild animals. Okay, many wild animals just like tigers, cheetahs. Okay, they elephants, foxes, deer. They live in a forest. Okay, we cannot use like a pet. Okay, tiger, lions. Okay, cheetahs, wild animals, any wild animals we can use like a means we cannot use like a pet. They live in a forest and they live in a group also. Okay, so we learn about a group of the animals. Now we are on there is a group of living beings. Okay, living beings means we have also our group. Okay, we have also our group means we have also our family. Okay, there is a many family members lives in joint family. Okay, they lives in a joint family. Dada, dadi, uncle, auntie, sister, brother. Okay, we live in a joint family means the group of our family. Okay, there is a many just like our father's father we can say dada. Okay, father's father we can say dada. And father's mother we can say daddy. Okay, daddy. Then father's brother we can say kaka, uncle. Okay, and father's sister we can say auntie or poi. Okay, then mother's father, our mother's father we can say nana. Okay, mother's father we can say nana. Then mother's mother we can say nani. Okay, mother's brother we can say there is a uncle but mama. Okay, mama also there. Mother's brother we can say mama, uncle. And there is a mother's sister we can say masi or auntie. And the children of them, the uncles children, the aunties children. Okay, we can say they are our cousin. Okay, and we live in a group also. It is our group. It is our herd also. Okay, just like animals. Just animal has a their group. Like we have our group. Okay, now it's a benefit to live in a group. Okay, to protect animals. Okay, to protect animals. And children who lives in a joint family, they respect their elders. Okay, it's easy to live in a joint family. We can help to each other. Okay, and we can live very happily also. So it's a very benefit to live in a group, to live in a joint family. Okay, now we have some exercise. We have some exercise. There is a right or wrong. Okay, if the sentence is right, then you can write right. You can put a The one, an elephant's tail is short. Elephant's tail is short. Okay, the elephant's tail is short. It is the right or wrong? It is the right. Okay, the elephant's tail is short. Now then, mother's brother is called Kaka. Okay, we already learned that mother's brother is called Kaka. It's the right or wrong? So it's the wrong. Okay, mother's brother is called Mama. Okay, not a Kaka. So it's the sentence. This sentence is wrong. Okay, mother's brother is called Kaka. It's the wrong. Now the third, an elephant lives in a forest. Elephant lives in a forest. It is a right or wrong? So it is a right. Mostly elephant lives in a forest. An ox is used to carry loads. Okay, an ox is used to carry load. It's the right or wrong? Okay, there is a many animals who used for carry all loads, just like camels, horse, oxen, donkey. Okay, so ox is used to carry all load. It's the right sentence. Then the 5 number, monkeys stay alone. Monkeys stay alone. We already learned here. Lives in a herd. The monkey. So there is a monkey stay alone. No, monkey does not stay alone. So it is they live in a group, means the herd. So it's a wrong sentence. Okay. A parrot rides on a buffalo. A parrot rides on a buffalo. It's the right or wrong? So it's the wrong. Okay, parrot cannot ride on buffalo. Now, a horse is used for riding in desert. A horse is used for riding in desert. Okay, desert area. Okay, there is a, if we can ride, then we can sit on a horse. It is a right or wrong? It is a wrong sentence. Okay, because horse cannot use in a desert area. We can use a camel. Okay, camel is very useful in a desert area, because it's a their padded feet useful to walk in a sand in a desert. Okay, so horse is used for riding in desert. So it is wrong. Now we put a sign. It's wrong. Okay, so our chapter A Day with Nandu, okay, it is over now. I hope that you will understand better. Okay, and A Day with Nandu means he was a baby elephant which is lives in a herd. Okay, and how they pass their day. Okay, now we already learned about which is lives in a herd. Many animals lives in a herd. Then we can use many animals as a pet. Okay, there is a which one they give us milk. Okay, they carry the load. Okay, we can ride on it. So now it's a chapter that A Day with Nandu is over.